programang ito ay rated LPG. Labis na patnubay at gabay ng magulang ang kailangan. Maaaring makapaminsala pag napabayaan habang nagluluto ng sinigang, adobo, batchoy, okoy, ginataan. Ilayo sa mga bata na hindi mapaglaruan.
Today is the first and last airing of ABS-CBN's new show, The Client. It is a reality show without good voice or beautiful face, just the integrity. We have 3 aspiring clients looking for an auditor to perform specific services. And I'm glad to introduce to you our auditor from SGV, Kenneth Andalio. The mechanics of the game is simple. Our auditor will be facing backward against our client. Each client will be given time to introduce themselves, their business line, their business industry, their management team, and specific services. The auditor could ask the client for more information. Good luck and let's play the game. Okay, let's welcome the first client, Janet Lim Napoles.
First of all, I would like to thank my guards for letting me out for just a little while. Mahirap po mag-English sa tulad kong high school graduate na, pero at least mayaman. Mr. Auditor, marami po akong businesses, kasing dami ng mga NGO na meron sa Pilipinas. Halo-halo po ang business industry ko. Depende po sa trip ng senador o congressman. Pwedeng construction kung may project na kalsada si congressman. Pwede din pong security equipment tulad na lang kung may project si senador na batuta. Mahilig po akong maligo sa gatas at magninang sa kasal ng mga politiko. In demand po kasi ako, lalo na kung malapit na ang eleksyon.
So how do you present your financial statement?
Mr. Auditor, pwede pong pagtagalog.
Okay, so anong basehan ng iyong financial statement? In what financial reporting framework?
Bahala ka na, sir. Hindi ko po kasi alam. Wala po akong alam. I invoke my right to self-incrimination. Diskartehan mo na lang, sir. Bigyan na lang kita ng 10 million. Marami po ako sa bathtub ko. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Mrs. Napoles. Now, let's welcome our second client, Gloria Macapagal Arroyo.
First of all, I would also like to thank the hospital for permitting me to join. Alam niyo naman, naka-hospital arrest ako. So, Mr. Auditor, dati akong Pangulo ng Pilipinas. And now, I'm the Congressman of Pampanga. Galing ko, no? They said that I've committed several graft and corruption. But they don't have sufficient evidence. And again, I was involved in the Malampaya Fund scam. Hindi ko nga alam kung saan yung Malampaya no? I still don't know my business, Mr. Auditor. I just need 50 competent and well-rounded auditors to get me out of this mess, so I can get out before Christmas. Alam mo naman, sir, mas masarap matulog pag may kayakap, no? My time is finished, Mr. Auditor. I need to go back to the hospital. If you have any questions, feel free to ask my lawyer. No?
Okay, thank you, Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. Now let's welcome our third client, Miriam Defensor Santiago.
Hi, Mr. Auditor. Asan driver's license mo, Mr. Auditor?
Bakit?
Illegal U-turn ka kasi sa puso mo. Mahilig ka ba sa mangga, Mr. Auditor?
At bakit?
May asim pa kasi ako. Okay. Good morning, Mr. Auditor. Buti na lang nakapunta ako dito. Nagsasawa na kasi ako makita si Enrile sa Senado. Hindi niya na lang aminin na type niya ako. Well, I need your service, Mr. Auditor. I want to prove that Enrile is the mastermind of the pork barrel scam. He is sick, sick, sick! Infinite sick! I will do anything to put him down. I don't care if I don't have that professional behavior. I need your services, Mr. Auditor. Gawin mo ang lahat, kahit hindi mo na i-apply ang objectivity and professional behavior mo.
Are you implying that I will break my code of ethics and following the established policies and procedures? I do need to have a documentation on my conclusion.
You are not kidding me, Mr. Auditor. I don't care about your ethical requirements and your documentation. I just need you to audit Enrile. He is sick, sick, sick!
Okay, let's welcome the 3 clients. Okay, thank you, clients. Our criteria for judging: 33% integrity of client, 33% competency to perform engagement, 33% compliance with ethical requirements. We'll just have a commercial break, and after that, the winner of the client. We'll be right back.
Yes po, madam. Shorts, pantalon, at boxers!
Maselan si Sir. Hindi uubra ang basta-basta dyan. Hindi lang dapat malinis, dapat mabango din.
Naku, ma'am! Huwag ka mag-alala dahil gamit ko ang mas malalaking Surf Fabric Conditioner 80% more. Kaya mas tumatagal na matagal na matagal ang bango.
Baka naman nagmahal yan.
5 pesos pa din, madam. Kaya kahit isama mo pa yung damit mo, damit ni Goma, damit ni Ethel, para lahat tayo may tumatagal na bango.
Pagpatuloy mo yan at siguradong hindi na iinit ang ulo sa'yo ni Sir Joaquin. Magugustuhan ka na nun.
Pinalaki, pinalaki, pinakamalaki.
And now we're back on the show. And now the final result. Audited and certified by Ernst & Young. The winner is... Wala! Wala pong nanalo. And that's the end of the client. Thank you and good night.